Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum. This is the lecture of the immune cells. The immune cells is a cell involved in the immune system and they help the body fight infection and diseases. The development of the immune cells begin in the bone marrow with a hematopoietic stem cell. The cells are capable of developing into any type of blood cells, but not other organs such as brain or muscle. The main cells involved in the immune system are known as white blood cells. White blood cells are granulocytes such as neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil, monocytes, and lymphocytes such as T and B cells. They are involved in protecting the body against both infectious diseases and foreign invaders. Monocytes are the largest type of white blood cell. They make up 2 to 8% of the white blood cells. They fight certain infection and help other white blood cells, remove dead or damaged cells, and fight cancer cells. They differentiate in body tissues to become macrophages and dendritic cells. Macrophages is a type of white blood cell and known as antigen-presenting cells. There are four types of macrophages, which is alveolar macrophages, splenic macrophages, Kupffer cell, and microglia cells. Macrophages surround and kills microorganisms, remove dead cells, and stimulate the action of other immune cells. They also play an important role in eliminating diseases and damaged cells through their programmed cell death. Macrophages are able to detect products of bacteria and other microorganisms using a recognition receptor. Dendritic cells, known as a professional antigen presenting cells. There are four types of dendritic cells, which is plasmacytoid, an inflammatory dendritic cell, and also Langerhans cells. They also function like macrophages. They link the innate and adaptive immune system. They also detect the product of bacteria and other microorganisms via recognition receptors. Lymphocytes are white blood cells. They are one of the body's main type of immune cells. They are found in blood and lymph tissues. In human adult, lymphocytes make up roughly 20 to 40% of the total number of white blood cells. Lymphocytes, including natural killer cells, T cells, and B cells, they help our body immune system fights cancer and foreign viruses and also bacteria. It is responsible for the production of antibodies, direct cell mediated killing of virus infected and tumor cell, and regulation of immune response. B cells are a type of white blood cell of lymphocyte subtype. There are four main types of B cell, which are transitional, naive, plasma, and memory B cell. All of them have their own purpose in the maturation processes. T cells are also a type of white blood cell of the lymphocyte subtype. There are three types of T cell, which are the helper T cell and the cytotoxic T cell and regulatory T cells. The T cell receptor is a protein complex found on the surface of T cell. It is responsible for recognizing fragments of antigen as peptide bound to major histocompatibility complex molecule. T cells helps other cells of the immune system, while cytotoxic T cells kill virally infected cells and tumor, and regulatory T cells act to suppress the immune response, thereby maintaining homeostasis and self-tolerance. Then NK cells are a type of white blood cell of the lymphocyte subtype. They are a type of cytotoxic lymphocyte which is critical to the innate immune system. NK cells provide a rapid response to virus-infected cells and other intracellular pathogens acting around 3 days after infection, and they are responding tumor formation. NK cells are unique, however, they have the ability to recognize and kill stress cells in the absence of antibody and major histocompatibility complex molecules. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you.